Hey there, my name is Dana Tamara. How are you today? I just wanted to give you a little insight into the Yoga and Astrology course that's coming up in 2021. I'm very excited about this course. I am an astrology junkie, for those of you who know me, and I created this course as sort of a base level understanding of astrology. And then the whole idea about astrology and yoga is that it really brings you to a space of where you can start to tune your body, your mind, and your practices into the cosmos. So it's divided out into 12 weeks. We start in January. All the dates and information are on the website. And in this training or workshop, you're going to learn all about each zodiac sign, the planets, the houses of astrology, kind of how it all fits together, and how you can create a practice for yourself or your students based on astrological information. So again, remember it's a baseline, so there's nothing super fancy about it, but it really does give you an insight into how we truly are the microcosm of the macrocosm. And as with all of our trainings and workshops at Dana Damara Evolution, you are able to take them as a standalone just for fun. You're able to take them for CEUs, for continuing education courses, just individually. And then it's also an elective as part of our 300-hour advanced teacher training program. So I love this course. It's one of my favorites. And as with all of our online courses, there is an online component of recorded content, Zoom calls, so that you can meet with everyone else in the course, and then also online homework. So you will have face-to-face interaction with myself and other teachers. And I really hope to see you there. So all the information's on the website, on this page, registration dates, things like that. So please take a look. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I hope to see you soon. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Namaste.